Hi everyone, today I want to discuss with you earlobe repairs, and I call it instant magic. You get instant results. I love saying instant results. I love procedures which give instant results, but this is one of those precious few procedures. You're like, you are one and done. You never have to undergo this again because your ears are well supported, your lobe is corrected, you have no visible scarring, and you get earrings placed the same day. No more waiting 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, crying about a new piercing, nothing. It's amazing. It's amazing. And it's genuinely one of the few surgeries I really enjoy doing. And then I ask them, are you happy with where the top of your earring is, like the top of the piercing? So we measure on both sides. I place a cut. It's a very special cut. Don't tell anyone. And then we go ahead with the procedure itself. And so people walk out of there with an earring in. People walk out of there with their earring in, and so in Indian culture, not wearing an earring can be taken as like a sign of mourning. Especially older ladies, they look, there's no other word to describe it, they look sad when they are not wearing earrings. So this technique completely circumvents that. You get immediate earring placement, you get immediate, shall I say, confidence boost. And more importantly, you know that you don't have to undergo the pain of a piercing all over again. So I think that kind of makes it really a powerful tool for instant princessification of the face. Skin to line, so this, can you see this? That is the before, and then that is the after, and then before, and then after. So the before is day 0, and the after is after 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So you can kind of see it's like already kind of almost completely healed up. And more importantly, no one looking at it can tell that, the procedure was ever done. And I think that is the beauty of the procedure. You get instant results. I love saying instant results. I love procedures which give instant results, but this is one of those precious few procedures. You're like, you are one and done. You never have to undergo this again because your ears are well supported, your lobe is corrected, you have no visible scarring, and you get earrings placed the same day. No more waiting 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, crying about a new piercing, nothing. It's amazing. It's amazing. And it's genuinely one of the few surgeries I really enjoy doing. And so after the procedure, there's a bit of pain. Most of the times, no, because I inject what we call bupivacaine at the end of procedure. It's an anesthetic that lasts quite a long time. Almost 8 to 9 hours of numbness, by which time, anyway, we give painkillers post-procedurally. And so you can take painkillers to reduce pain. And that's there for 48 hours. I've never known a patient to complain beyond that period of time. And then when you go home and, you're like, okay, lie down, no problem, no pain. 3 days later, you take out your bandages at home, you apply a little bit of ointment. So we give ointment mupirocin, typically, otherwise soframycin. And so you apply it on, and then you're done. It's like unboxing a phone. Except that there's no setup needed. You just unbox your ears, and then, you look into the mirror, you're like, so pretty. So yeah, it's really rewarding for the patient. It's super rewarding for the surgeon because you're giving instant results, which is really what plastic surgery is about, making people happy. And so at the end of all of this, you have this feeling that, now I can wear my earring, now I can go to social functions and all of that without worrying about awkward questions. Why don't you get it repaired? Or why don't you wear earring or any of those things? And there is that deep satisfaction that you're able to wear a earring, which most people get pierced really early in life at the earlobe. Some get it as infants, some get it as children. So for a lady to be able to wear her earring is a really big deal. And so I'm so happy to make it happen for most of my patients. They're really happy. I'm really happy. And so happiness. I love the repairs I do. I love the fact that I can give that quality to them. So until next time.